Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is doing well. May Almighty Allah bless you all. Welcome to my YouTube channel A1 Decor. As you all know, we create home decoration videos just for you, and we work very hard collecting these designs. So stay connected with us. Watch this video till end. Please like this video and subscribe my channel and watch all our previous videos. Thank you. So in today's video, I have bring you some unique wall clock design ideas for your home. If you love these designs, please share this video with your friends and family members. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for all the latest videos. Thank you. Goodbye viewers. Take good care of yourself and loved ones. Allah Hafiz.